Hi guys. So I've been training with Daniel for about a couple of months now. I heard about Daniel actually through my brother and dad. They had started training with him much earlier, and it took me some time, to actually get down to training with him. But trust me, it's one of the best moves I've made ever. Coming down and training with Daniel. For me, training is not about that 1 hour in the gym, just lifting heavy weights or doing certain things or burning X amount of calories. That's not what I look at training as. For me, training is much more than that. It's a way of life. It's how you feel. It's a state of mind. After I started training with Daniel, putting aside the amount of weight I lift or putting aside the kind of body type I'm looking for, it's changed the way I think. It's made me a much more positive person. It's physically it's made me much more agile. Mentally it's helped so much. You wake up in the morning much quicker, and and you're much calmer. There's so many things that are added to it, which has helped me a lot. And physically, yeah, I've been lifting so much more than I've ever lifted that I could ever imagine. And in spite of all that, my body is much more agile. I feel lighter, and I feel my stamina has gone up. So it covers a complete 360-degree spectrum. It's not just focused in one area. And I think training, body weightlifting or power training, has a very scientific approach to things. A lot of people don't have that scientific approach here. They just get you to the gym, make you lift a certain amount of weight, and they give you a strict routine. You actually never see a growth, step by step, a calculated growth. But over here, everything is calculated. Everything is designed around you. It's designed around your body type. It's designed around your goals. So you have a very fixed plan, and month by month you can see those achievements, not only on your body also, but also on paper, which I think is very, very important to keep you motivated and to keep you going. So trust me, training with him has just changed everything for me. Talking about improvements, when I started off with him, I had a total different idea or a different outlook on what weight training was, or what the thing with him is, it's not bodybuilding, it's not weightlifting, it's nothing like that. It's more like my power has gone up, and my body is much better. I look much better. It not only reflects on my body also, but on my face, my skin, everything. I feel healthier, which I think is the most important thing. Because I don't want to come to the gym. I don't want to injure myself. I don't want, I want to have the rest of the day. I want to have energy the rest of the day. All these things are really important. It's when I train over here, I train for that 1 hour, but I can still, the rest of the evening, I still have that motivation to go out and, to still do a lot of other things. So and also the amount I lift has gone up enormously. And in spite of that, it's not like my body is stiffened up or anything. My flexibility has gone up. I'm much more agile, which does help me in my career, and it's very important for me career-wise. And more than anything, I don't want to injure myself. In spite of lifting much more, he takes care, utmost care that you don't injure yourself, and so he's covering everything. So that way you're really safe. And he uses this line always. That's he always says, stop exercising and start training. I think it's something that makes a lot of sense, because at the end of the day, most of us, we just go to the gym, exercise. There's a lot of difference between exercising and getting the right kind of training. I think that is the difference between Daniel and a lot of gyms or fitness trainers out there. It's really important. So everyone out there, stop exercising and start training.